Hello everyone who is watching for K Hair Factory's best Vietnamese hair YouTube channel. I am Abdul, hair exporter and hair seller from Nigeria. Today I will suggest 3 wholesalers for you from USA. You can consider if you want to start business like selling hair. Let's start it. Top 1. Virgin Hair is the top hair extension wholesaler suppliers in the USA. They take pride to provide quality virgin hair extension wholesaler in USA, and since the establishment of those wholesaler distributors in USA, which have been leading all over the world, and third clean of those wholesaler vendors. Top 2. Her Hair US called Hair Day is their primary focus at Her Hair company hair vendor in USA. They work tightly to consistently provide all good customers talk through the United States with the best human hair extension. Top 3. Hair Are Us. Hair Are Us founders Ashley Williams and Kate Rabani founded the company in Atlanta in 2011 and since grown to become the wholesaler distributor in the United States. They began as the mobile phone only business, quickly transformed into a salon and online store, and also eventually grown up into their own full hair salon and extension store. They are now one of the most popular wholesaler vendors in USA, offering the best hair extensions. Above are top 3 wholesaler hair vendor in USA that you can refer. However, if you want to buy hair from the best factories for a good price, you can absolutely contact my wholesaler K Hair Factories. As far as I know, K Hair Factories, they are exporting hair around the world for a very good price. For more information about hair importer or promotions, contact Justin via WhatsApp as phone number below.